Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to improve memory. How memory is important in our life. Life-changing techniques for unlimited memory. Memory, as you know, is the means by which we draw our past experiences to use the information in the present. As stated by Sternberg 1999. It is the faculty in the brain by which information is encoded, stored, and retrieved when required. It is the information processing system which can be improved by any individual. It is not that it is fixed. So it is the mental processes of acquiring, retaining, and retrieving information, keeping things right in your mind so that you can visualize the things when you require. It is like a storage space in your head. You may use the storage information as and when required. A good memory capacity offers enough power and is most valuable asset. It can surface in three types: working memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Grandmaster Kevin Horsley in his book Unlimited Memory stated how to use advanced learning strategies to learn faster, remember more, and be more productive. In the book Use Your Head, Tony Buzan has expressed how to unleash the power of mind. Tony Buzan has also expressed how to mind map, the ultimate thinking tool that may change your life. Memory is the cornerstone of your existence and provides power to think well and so to live well. Memory power is the tool to turbocharge your life. Without good memory, you cannot develop. So it has unlimited benefits which can turn your life to flourish endlessly. You must not forget the following benefits as we will now discuss. Around about 25 benefits. Number one is help. It helps to retrieve suitable information in right time to help in proper decision making. So it helps in decision making. Helps to remember many things, good and bad, which helps to achieve goals, to advance in right path. Develops limitless learning ability. It helps personal growth. It helps to save time. It helps for better performance in test. It helps to build higher awareness. It enhances self-confidence. Better performance in test. The more you can remember, the better you can perform on the exams. Higher self-confidence. If your memory power is good, your confidence will be high. It reduces anxiety and frustrations. Learning made easier and faster. Improves social interaction. Improves sleep and contribution to better health. It gives good sleep. Helps to have fun and enjoy life. Good memory helps to have fun. Improves standard of knowledge. Improves focus and accelerated learning. Provides social advantage. Upgrades brain. Helps your creative juice to flow. Helps to improve attention span. It has a lot of benefits. It helps in journaling. You can remember the things very well easily. It helps in mind mapping. It boosts self-motivation. The more you know, the more you are aware, the more you will be motivated to do something more. You cannot also neglect the losses due to forgetfulness. It generally turns out in the following ways. If we cite number 1, it prohibits you to utilize your full potential. Forgetfulness. Now we are talking about forgetfulness. Forgetfulness prohibits you to utilize your full potential. And if you know this, then certainly you will take care of your memory power to enhance your memory power. Where your attention goes, you also go there. If you lose attention, you forget many clues. So, how to remember better and be more productive? It is very important. Improve your attention, concentration on the subject, and think wisely on the subject. Connect your image of imagination or the event or the object with your life stories and create some imagery concepts. So suppose you want to remember some orchard or some fruits or something, then connect it to your some life story and then remember it. So it will be in your mind immediately. Whenever you will think of it, it will come as your life story. So link different concepts and build connections between concepts also. Make the information live, relating some live events with the information. Take action. Do not give excuses. Live through mistakes. Learn through mistakes. Remember, mistakes are very common. Everybody makes mistakes and learn from mistakes. More mistakes you do, more you strengthen your memory. More your actions give rewards to you, more you remember. So both are important, mistakes as well as rewards. Make your actions full punishment. More you remember. More your actions full punishment, more you remember. Declutter your mind. Relax. Even good rest, relaxation and sleep can help to remember better. Some specific foods, good diets are good for brain and help people to better remember something. For example, what are the good foods that help the brain? That fatty fish, blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, oranges, egg, green tea. This helps. These are indicative. It is not that these are only limited to this. In the book, The Limitless Memory, Robert Reid has illustrated some life-changing techniques for unlimited memory. Memory can be improved. It is not that it is fixed and it is genetically provided. No, not like that. So he has expressed memory capacity is an excellent ally for a happy life. It's certain. It's good. The more you can remember, the better it is for you. As at the outset we have expressed, the mental process is acquiring, retaining and retrieving information. So what is memory? Memory is actually acquiring knowledge, retaining it with you, and then so that you can retrieve it whenever required and use that information to your advantage. So it is very nicely stated in that book of Mr. Reid, Robert Reid. He has stated how information is primarily gathered at first stage and skill is learned. Important ones on the same may be that information may be collected through various means. Say suppose visual encoding, it is collected by looks, by sight. All these senses can be used. So acoustics encoding by sound. Encoding means acquiring. This semantic encoding, that is meaning of information, tactile, how it feels. Rather, we should say that information collection may be done by, to some extent, using all the senses, all other senses, like smelling, tasting, and also our silent sixth sense, proprioception. So all the senses may be useful in acquiring knowledge, encoding it. So think right to improve your memory by improving mainly your ability to create imagery, as we are thinking that fix it with some life stories, and power of concentration. Of course, power of concentration is very important. Communication skill, how you read, write, listen, speak. So all these things also put some sort of influence on your brain, some sort of some sort of thing in your brain it keeps, so that you can remember it. It remains in your memory. So when you are writing anything, so what is happening? That something you are keeping in your mind, and that is your treasure. Creating habit with continuous use of positive traits. So that habits also help you to improve your memory. Take action and do not give excuses. Question your limiting beliefs. Have positive mindset. Be optimistic. Know what is important to you. Realize why it is more important to you. The more you will realize, better it will have a print in your mind. Your why power will support your willpower. Take failures as feedback. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam stated fail is what? Fail is first attempt in learning. It gives you a lot of knowledge. Similarly, fear should be treated as false evidence appearing real. Let's get to a devotions. Do the thing you fear the most, and death of fear will certain. Fear will go away. So once the fear goes away, it remains in your brain that this thing should not be done or that thing should be done in that way. So your memory power will improve. Apprehension improves memory. AIM. Apprehension improves memory. So just keep in like that some types of coin words. Use the benefits of neuroplasticity. More you appreciate a situation and try to remember, more you will train your brain, and your brain helps you to remember more. So brain has enormous capacity, and that can be utilized, and that should be utilized, must be utilized. So do meditation, practice mindfulness, your presence of mind will improve. And with focused mind, your memory power will be enhanced. Angela Duckworth has expressed greed, the combination of patience and perseverance, as the strong predictor of success. So greed improves memory power by full utilization of brain. Swami Mukundananda, the great philosopher, he has said, memory is a mental faculty which can be trained like a muscle. So do physical exercise which will cater to physical as well as mental health. So do mental exercise also to keep the brain fit. So all these mental and physical exercise will help you to enhance your memory power. He has told that focus and interest both helps in creating memory. Say suppose students are trying hard for exam, they are focusing on the subject during the exam time, so they learn a lot. It remains in their memory power. But when they say not in exam, but when they are just looking at the cricket match, so they are very focused on that match, and their interest also is much more. So this focus plus interest creates a strong memory for these things for the students. So focus plus interest are more on games. That is why the memories are in the games appear better. When you repeat an activity, memory develops. So repetition as the mother of learning. Repetition is the mother of learning. Focus, improve and try. Fit. Focus, improve and try. We only realize 10% of our potential. If we can employ 90% of the rest potential, think of what can happen. Which is told by Mr. Arnold Nightingale in his book Stranger's Secret. So small daily improvements and right thoughts, right mindset can show miraculous results. It can help you to improve your memory power so that it can be utilized in other time also as and when required by you. The book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Mr. Stephen R. Covey, he has stated many things. He has told begin with the end in mind. So keep in mind what you want, and then accordingly you start doing things rightly. Awaken the giant within. In the book Mr. Tony Robbins has said, you must take control of your consistent actions which shape your life. So this requires effective memory power. In the book, this famous books from where you get good knowledge, How to Win Friends and Influence People, author Dale Carnegie has suggested to develop memory power so that you can remember person's name is to actually the person's name is to that person the sweetest and the most important sound in any language. So if you can call a person, remember a person's name and call a person by his name or her name, it is the best. So decide, act and deserve. Do something. Decide, act and deserve. Dead. Success will be yours. Improve your memory. Be smart. Improve your performance and continuously develop. The power of concentration is the only thing to the treasure house of knowledge. Swami Vivekananda has told. So think of improving your memory, utilize your memory and live well. Thank you. Wish you all the best.